Hello again. Someone is asking, what is the difference between a and an? So today I will speak about a and an and how a and an changed the English name of this. A and an are used for non-specific singular nouns. I want a pen. If I want to be specific, then I use the or the. It has two pronunciations. I want the pen with the red top. Or I can use this. I want this pen. Or I can use your. I want your pen. English letters are split into consonants and vowels. Consonants are percussive. B, k, d, f. Vowels are not percussive. A, e, I, a. With consonants, we use a. We say a book, a cup, a dish, a fork. With vowels, we use an apple, an egg, an ice cube, an olive, an umbrella. Sometimes a consonant is silent, for example, hour. Then we use an, so I waited an hour. And sometimes a vowel sounds like a consonant, unicycle. The man is riding a unicycle. It sounds like it begins with a Y, unicycle. Remember, it is the sound after a or an that is important. So we say a book, but we say an open book. We say an apple, but we say a red apple. Easy. Like many common words, a and an have a strong and a weak pronunciation. An is the strong pronunciation. Un is the weak pronunciation. We use the strong pronunciation when we are speaking slowly and clearly. I have a pen. I have an apple. We also use the strong pronunciation if we want to stress that there is only one of something. I have a pen. I have an apple. But when we are speaking quickly, we usually use the weak pronunciation. I have a pen. I have an apple. So how did a and an change the English name of this fruit? Well, this fruit originally came from Southeast Asia. Its name came through Sanskrit and Persian and Arabic and eventually reached England around 1200. At that time, the English language was a mixture of Old French and Anglo-Saxon. The normal name for this in Europe was naranj or naranja, and the English called it a naranj. Unfortunately, a naranj sounds very much like un orange, and most people didn't read or write, so un orange became the normal. Un orange, eventually un orange. Interestingly, before the orange arrived, we didn't really have a word for the colour orange, and we called most things red, and we still call these things red today. So red hare, red fox, red deer, red kite. Anyway, I hope that helped a little, and I'll see you next time. Bye.